So hello boys, we missed yesterday's challenge, so I will just explain this to you. In here, I just created four elements. With the first one is the circle here. The second one is the left diagonal here, this one, and the third is the right diagonal, and the last one is the diamond on the center, on top of the circle. So yeah, basically I created a circle with the same width and the same height, and the diagonal, the diamonds, diamond in front of the circle, and these two rectangles that is diagonal. Yeah, that's it. And lastly, the background. I set it to this color. See that? Really cool.